no matter where you go through in life, bro, there's always something to be thankful for. There's always something to be grateful for, dog. So whatever you go through in life, remember, say no, tough times are last, you know. Tough people do. Pussy, them a chap. Odi wood, them a chap. Small! What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. Over. Hey, yeah. We're here today. We're here with the boss, the G, the up top boss, up top camp, Teejay. Look at myself in a Teejay. Don't know enough, bro. I'm an artist. You hear that? I'll touch the sky. Title of the song is I'll Touch the Sky. That one I drop today. We're gonna jump in it and see what one. Like I said, we got up top camp. We got JAMAICA'S. You don't know. You see me? So let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Maybe the boss I say, cause that one I got mad. Me know that already.
Wish I had way.
The Angel Wings, boss. Extreme Arts, big up. Damage!
At times I get crazy. Man, I get too much fight in the dark. People that seems to amaze me again. Cause mankind change up fast. Me don't have to worry about me, no. Cause me not soon went down and gone. My mother said friend deceiving. And all I want to prove it, dog.
Now when I just started, I'm gonna pull it up back again. Yo, Teejay the realest. Teejay sing some of the realest lyrics in the dance. I'm not telling no lie. Emotion behind it. The conviction is like it pull you in. Like, you know, you have to listen again when the man said that. Like, seriously. Be a facts the man attack.
Times I get crazy. Man, I get too much fight in the dark. People that seems to amaze me again. Cause mankind change up fast. Me don't have to worry about me, no. Cause me not soon went down and gone. My mother said friend deceiving. And all I want to prove it, dog.
So that you type on the screen now is like him have the worst time of his life. You see me? Like anywhere him turn is a bad thing happen. Like that me say so far in this video. But me I try to play the video and listen to Teejay at the same time. You don't know me. After the two. You don't know.
But if I had wings, I'd touch the sky. I would have fly away, you know, from everything I've got in my life. I wish I had wings to touch the sky. Surely fly away, you know, from all the things I've got in my life.
If eviction notice forward up, girl walk out of house, you don't know picnic today. But the boss I say, yo, I'm wishing they have wings to fly away out of this world, you know. You see me, and just go somewhere else. Cause nothing not go on, you see me? And people to wicked.
All the while, me see me hurt myself just to please people. All the while, me see me put them first. Nobody not help me with me bird.
Yo, me like that part there. Yo. When Teejay sing, bro, me feel every word what the man say, brother. No joke. Get a part there.
But if I had wings, I'd touch the sky. I would have fly away, you know, from everything I've got in my life.
Yeah.
I wish I had wings to touch the sky. Surely fly away, you know, from all the things I've got in my life. All the while, me see me hurt myself just to please people. And all the while, me see me put them first. Nobody not help me with me bird.
Yo, this on my playlist. I have a little playlist so me always shuffle more time on my phone and with me AirPod them in my ears and thing. But that one the on the playlist
I
right
wish I had wings to touch the sky. Surely fly away, you know, from all the things I just me hurt myself. Hurt myself just to please people. And all the while me see me put them first. Nobody now help me with me burn. Oh no. Jaja, please can you keep me strong when I'm hurt? Whoa. When I'm hurt. When times get weak by me, my shield up in preserve. Oh no. Them feel it easy for me, but my story you know don't know.
Man say no feel it easy for me. My brother, my story you don't know. Not because me come on the grandma smile every day and wife the come. Not because me fall on the grandma smile every day and think. You don't know me pain when me I go through inside, bro. That's why me never too smile with people no more. That's what the boss is saying. You know, yo, this bad.
Them no know.
One firm, G. One firm. Don't give up.
If I wings, I'll touch the sky. I would have fly away, you know, from everything I want in my life.
Yo, me I wait on Teejay album for drop. Me I wait on Teejay album. Just like I was waiting a Massacre one. Wait on Teejay one. And you might get a full album reaction from that live as well.
We shine wings to touch the sky and surely fly away, you know, fly away. We shine.
Hold up, my brother. Go and puff your cigarette, my G. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, brother. Not do that. Not do that. Not do that. Not do that. Don't do that, bro. No, brother. No, brother. No gun thing to your head, my G. No. No, my G. No, do that. Not do that. Remember your daughter, brother. Remember your daughter, my G. No, remember your daughter, my G. Don't do it. Eviction notice, tenant. Brother. Yeah, see that? Remember your daughter, my G. Can't do that, brother. Put on that. Powerful video. Yeah, remember that. I hope she's not there looking at him about to do that. I hope the daughter is not there. I hope that daughter is not there. Because I'm turn on a while ago. Me no turn on. Oh, the song I listen to. Bad. Turn it up. Yeah.
Times I get crazy. I'm gonna get too much fun.
Yo, Teejay, pick up yourself, dog. Yo, pick up yourself, G. Teejay, you just see somebody life with that song, yeah. In a way you say, not the video, you just literally save at least one person life with that song, yeah, G. That song, yeah, the encouraging words where you have that song, yeah, the meaning of the song, I never expect the video to go that way.
Wings to touch the sky and surely fly away.
You save the youth life, bro. You save the youth life, G. Like this. Oh, hey. A Teejay. Up that boss. Yeah. Yeah, man, you see the youth life, man. Like the part every day, yeah. Better will come forward for you, brother. Don't give up. Don't give up, my G. See that? Song come at the right time.
And surely fly away.
Yeah, man. Go on, a vibe, my G.
At times I get crazy. And I get too much fight in the dark. People that seems to amaze me, yeah. Cause mankind change up fast. Me don't worry about me, no. Cause me not soon went down now.
Sure.
My mother say friend deceiving. And all while want to prove it, dog. But if I had wings, I'd touch the sky. I would have fly away, you know, from everything I want in my life. I wish I had wings to touch the sky. Surely fly away, you know, from all the things I want in my life.
Yeah, man.
Wish I had wings to touch the sky. Would have fly away, you know, from all the things I want in my life. Wish I had wings to touch the sky. Would have fly away, you know,
See there? See there? Me know that song you save people. Yo, that song is powerful, dog. Also, let me just add to that message with up on the screen, cause see the message there if you can't see it. Let me just add to that message, dog. No matter where you go through in life, bro, there's always something to be thankful for. There's always something to be grateful for, dog. So whatever you go through in life, remember, say no, tough times are last, you know. Tough people do. You see me? So tough time are last. Tough people do. So anything we are going through in your life, just know, say, yo, go and keep positive. No matter how hard it get, go and keep positive. And just believe in yourself, Benji. You see me? Don't give up. No put no rope around your neck and jump off on a tree or nothing at all. No put no gun to no head, no put no knife to no wrist, brother. You see me? Brothers and sisters, me attack. You see me? Just hold out, cause life hard right now. You see me? And always remember, say, what you are go through, other person have it twice as hard as you. You see me? So never you just give up and not say, yo, fuck it, that is it. No, don't do that. Please, me beg you, don't do that. You see me? Big up Teejay upon the song, yeah? Big up Teejay. Strong message on the song, with G. Big up Damage Music. Big up Damage. You see me? This one I'm going to leave that one, guys. If you enjoy that one and want to see more from me, you know what to do. Hit the subscription button. It's free, dog. It not cost you nothing. It'll help me to grow. You understand? So, please, help me out by doing that. Don't forget to hit the like button as well, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Teejay, pick up yourself. Up top.